Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. 3,000 Bitcoin ATMs were installed around the world this year. Following the UST crash, the U.S. Treasury Secretary underlines the necessity for stablecoin regulation. Brian Armstrong says Coinbase is in no risk of bankruptcy. Coinbase is now warning that bankruptcy could wipe out user funds. Germany issues its first national crypto tax guide. Now let's dive into the details. 3,000 Bitcoin ATMs were installed around the world this year. According to Coin ATM Radar, the number of Bitcoin ATMs worldwide was 34,340 on January 1st. However, that figure has increased by about 3,000 since then, with 37,338 Bitcoin ATMs at the time of writing on May 10th. Since the beginning of 2022, a total of 2,998 Bitcoin ATMs have been installed, at an average of 23 every day. Given that Coin ATM Radar does not track all Bitcoin ATMs worldwide, the real figure might be far higher. Another analysis found that about 20,000 additional Bitcoin ATMs will be installed in 2021, with more than 50 new machines being activated every day. Following the UST crash, the U.S. Treasury Secretary underlines the necessity for stablecoin regulation. Janet Yellen restated her earlier position asking for a regulatory framework on stablecoins during a Senate Banking Committee hearing on the Financial Stability Oversight Council annual report to Congress on Tuesday, citing a November report from the President's Working Group on Financial Markets. The Treasury Secretary also addressed Terra USD, or UST, the third largest stablecoin by market capitalization, which has dropped to 67 cents in the last 24 hours. Yellen said, "I think the situation with Terra USD simply illustrates that this is a rapidly growing product and that there are risks to financial stability, and we need a framework that's appropriate." Brian Armstrong says Coinbase is in no risk of bankruptcy. Even after a black swan event that saw Bitcoin fall below $30,000 on Tuesday for the very first time since mid-2021, Chief Executive Officer Brian Armstrong claimed there's no risk of insolvency for Coinbase, the biggest U.S. crypto exchange platform. Brian Armstrong made his remarks following Coinbase's announcement on Tuesday that, in the case of bankruptcy, cryptocurrency assets held by the exchange might be allowed to own property of the bankruptcy proceedings, and clients could be classed as general debt holders. Coinbase is now warning that bankruptcy could wipe out user funds. Coinbase Global's poor first quarter earnings report, in which the U.S.'s largest cryptocurrency exchange recorded a quarterly loss of $430 million and a 19% reduction in monthly users, is an update on the hazards of utilizing Coinbase's service that may surprise its millions of users. In its earnings report on Tuesday, Coinbase stated that it held $256 billion in both fiat currency and cryptocurrency on behalf of its customers. However, the exchange warned that the crypto assets we hold in custody on behalf of our customers may be subject to bankruptcy proceedings if it ever declared bankruptcy. Germany issues its first national crypto tax guide. A representative for Germany's Commerzbank (CBK), they confirmed that the bank filed for a crypto license earlier this year. This makes it the nation's first large bank to embrace cryptocurrency. According to a bank spokeswoman, Commerzbank intends to help shape new digital ecosystems, particularly in terms of safekeeping and exchange in quasi-assets. In Germany, cryptocurrency is classified as a private asset, which means it is subject to personal income tax instead of capital gains tax. The important thing to remember would be that Germany solely taxes cryptocurrency if it is sold in the year it was purchased. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the CoinCu channel to stay up to date on the latest news.